What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys that are new here, my name is Luigi Gonzales and I'm a second year medical student in the University of California, Irvine School of Medicine. Now in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my desk setup. I've had a major upgrade to the desk setup, and no, it's not some super expensive tech equipment or some over-the-top contraption that I paid a ton for. It's actually something that's very affordable and at the same time very effective in helping me get things done in my desk. And I think it's also pretty aesthetic. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So the upgrade that I'm talking about is right here, the Deskboard Buddy system. And yeah, it looks like it's just some plain box, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So if we take a look at each of the specific details with the Deskboard Buddy, we're gonna see a lot of things that are very useful. First, if we take a look at the outer part, you can see right here, there's a slot on the top where you could put your phone, your iPad, whatever device you may have. Just put it on there so that you don't need to set it somewhere else. And then there's a little slot here for a stylus also. Then if we take a look what's inside, we can see that there's actually a lot of different compartments there where you can put the markers, you could put my Anki remote goes in here, my glasses cleaner is here, there's a little cloth for cleaning my glasses, and then there's also an eraser. And all of the markers and eraser is basically for this blackboard that's in the front. Now the main purpose of that blackboard is so that it basically replaces all of the post-it notes that I would have before, or the little scrap pieces of paper, little notebooks that I would have where if I have something to do the next day or if I need a reminder for something, I jot it down in a post-it note or on a piece of paper, and then either all of those post-it notes will pile up in my desk and leave a big mess, or I'm wasting a lot of paper as I toss it out, you know, like maybe 2 or 3 each day after I complete the task that's written on it. So now with this, it basically makes everything much easier because I'm just able to write things down, write whatever I need to do. And at the same time, the Deskboard Buddy website offers a lot of different markers. So if you buy a pack from them, you're gonna have more than enough colors to separate your day and all of the tasks that you need to do. Even if it's like one for personal life, one for school, one for work, whatever it may be, you're gonna have everything you need. And this Deskboard Buddy system is just gonna help you keep your day organized, make sure you don't forget anything, and you know, it's just an extra writing space in case, let's say you're doing like math problems and you need to write work down. You can do it right here instead of needing to pull out a piece of paper. It's right there in front of your desk already. And at the same time, if we look at the aesthetics of it, it's pretty nice. It's very compact. It's not too big. It doesn't take up a big space on my desk. And at the same time, since I have this upper shelf right here, I can just put the Deskboard Buddy system underneath if I'm not using it, and then take it out when I do use it. And if we take a look at the sizing, I would say it's about like 1.5 feet long. And in terms of, you know, like how tall it is, it's definitely not that tall. So again, very compact, very useful, and just a perfect addition to any desk for anybody that's taking on a lot of different things all at once. So if you're interested in the Desk Buddy, I was actually able to reach out to the company and set up a giveaway for them. So with the giveaway, they're willing to offer 2 free giveaways for people that enter. And the rules are as follows. First, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and you follow me on my Instagram account at luigi.p.gonz. And also make sure to follow Desk Buddy on their Instagram account as well. All of these instructions are gonna be down in the description, so in case you forget, you can check it down there. And if you are selected as the winner, you can win this black Deskboard Buddy, and also they have another option where you can go with the white Deskboard Buddy depending on what you feel like will look better on your desk. Now as you can see with my desk, it's rocking that all black aesthetic except for my speakers, but that's why I decided to go with the black Deskboard Buddy, and I think it looks really nice. And also you have a chance to get the markers as well that comes with the Deskboard Buddy system. So make sure you enter that giveaway, and yeah. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. If you guys really enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below if you want to know more about all of the other desk upgrades that I've been getting. If you guys want a chance to win your own Deskboard Buddy, definitely enter that giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. it.